Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can restrict access to Google Forms. Restricting access to Google Forms ensures that only specific individuals or groups can access or submit the form. So through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how you can set restriction. The first one is the most common way to limit access is through use restrict access to specific email addresses. So what you need to do is just open the form and then here go to the settings in here. So if you have your own domain or email, company's email or organization email, this can be used. You can just go to the settings and drop down on the responses section. If you're using your domain creating this form, there will be an options to restrict users in your domain and its trusted organizations if applicable. So you can just enable that options, and you can also allow access only to specific people. You can just click on the send button or the share. So in here under the publish option, and then in here under the anyone with the link, you can click on manage and choose the specific people. In here you can add people to this form and then choose their role as editor or viewer, responder or editor, depends on you if you want to set it only a few people or specific people. Second one, you can also limit or require a sign in to submit. You can just go to the set response in here under the settings, and at the very bottom you can just toggle on this collect email address. You can choose to verify, and in here you can also enable this limit to one response. And then you can also use password protection. You can stimulate a password protection by adding a password question. You can add a short answer question at the beginning of the form and label it something like enter the password. Or you can also just share the form privately. You can just share the form link only with specific people or groups. You can just tap on copy respondent link, click on copy, and copy it with the people that you want. And you can also again here limit one response per users so that it will limit their access. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.